The big question is, will Buddha attend Mamata's swearing in after bitter political rivalry? The TMC deputy leader of the House, Partha Chatterjee, invites Buddha personally. Buddha still non-committal. Decision on attending Mamata's swearing in will be taken later today. Shambit, what are your sources in the left party saying? Will Buddhadev Bhattacharya try and keep aside the bitter political rivalry, and will he be attending the swearing-in ceremony?
That's a big question. Tomorrow at 1:01 p.m. Mamata Banerjee is supposed to take oath in Raj Bhavan, and today there was a master stroke given by Mamata Banerjee in this politics of showing courtesy. The deputy leader of the House, now newly elected deputy leader of the House, Partha Chatterjee, the Trinamool Congress leader, went up to Buddhadev Bhattacharya's residence today morning at around 8:30 without any media glare, and invited Buddhadev Bhattacharya and his wife to attend the swearing-in ceremony that's to be held tomorrow in Raj Bhavan. But at this moment, our sources in the CPM telling us they are very much non-committal, but they are a little they are also in the back foot at this moment. Initially, they had thought that they will just send the elected MLAs there who would be invited, and probably the senior most leader of the elected, among the elected MLAs will be attending the swearing-in ceremony, and probably Biman Bose and Buddhadev Bhattacharya will stay off. But after this invitation has been sent to Buddhadev Bhattacharya on behalf of Mamata Banerjee by Partha Chatterjee, now it will be a tough call for the left leaders who will be meeting later today in their party headquarters and decide and take the final call whether to attend the swearing ceremony or not. In fact, we're also getting the reports that the Raj Bhavan has also invited the Left Front chairman Biman Bose and other Left Front leaders to attend the swearing ceremony. But in this politics of showing courtesy, as we have seen, Mamata Banerjee went to Somnath Chatterjee's house 2 days ago, and now this invitation being sent to Buddhadev Bhattacharya, it will be a tough call for left leaders.
All right, thanks for giving us those details.